Welcome to learn about Longwell's cutting-edge EC backward curved centrifugal fan, the 250 series. As a global professional provider of air power solutions, our centrifugal fans are renowned for their outstanding performance, ultra-low noise, and reliable durability. The intelligent control experience ensures effortless operation. Operating at 3,500 RPM, it delivers a maximum airflow of 1,700 cubic meters per hour and a static pressure of 1,082 pascals, with noise levels as low as 82 dB. We design and manufacture high-efficiency, low-energy consumption EC/DC/AC centrifugal fans. Widely used in industrial manufacturing, commercial buildings, medical equipment, HVAC systems, fresh air purification, and more. We're certified with ISO, BSCI, CUL, FCC, and more, covering global standards for systems and products. Driven by technological innovation, Longwell offers a diverse range of product series, providing comprehensive fan solutions for various industries. Born for high-quality breathing, Longwell fans power your equipments.